Hello everyone, I am Cindy from Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the pom-pom collar for dogs. And this is an example of the collars that I put on the dogs. It is very cute. You will need the crochet hook 3.0 mm and then the 4-ply yarn many colors. I bought this from China. I can put the link below. So for the first row, you're going to make magic ring egg SC. Just follow what I am doing right now. Just make egg SC. Okay, when you finish the first row, you're going to have egg stitches. For the second row, you're going to make egg increases. When you finish this row, you're going to have 16 stitches. Okay, now I'm done with the second row. Then the third row, you're going to make SC and increase for X times. SC and increase for X sets. When you finish this row, you're going to have 24 stitches. Okay, I'm done. You're going to count 1, 2, and 3 rows from the marker. That means you're done. And then for the 7th row, you're going to make SC and decrease for X sets, X times around. When you finish this row, you're going to have 16 stitches. Alright, I'm done with the 7th row, and now I started row 8. So you're going to make egg decreases. After you finish this row, you're going to have 8 stitches. After you finish this row, you're going to fill in the polyester fiber. Then continue on row 9 by making 3 SC together, just like the decrease but using 3 SC and then decrease. After that, you will going to have 5 stitches, and last but not least, just fasten off and then cut the yarn. Alright, we are already finished. After that, you will going to use the needle for yarn to hide this ending. Just hide this ending. You don't need to do anything, just tie the knot and hide this ending away. Cut it off. After you finish the ball, you will get something like this, and then you have to make for another 20 to 24 balls totally, depends on the length, and you have to make 7 color at least. Okay, and I recommend you cut the elastic band around 50 to 55 centimeter. I recommend you using a little bit smaller band. And now we're going to use the big needle to bleed all the ball, just like you are making the necklace. So first of all, I put the pink color and then light pink, and then I'm going to put in the purple one. Yeah, purple one. After that, I'm going to put the light blue. Okay. After that, I put the light green, the pastel green actually, and then the light yellow, and last one is the orange. So I really love this color. It's all pastel color. So I actually buy the yarn from China. I will put the link in the video description. Okay, after you finish it, you will tie the knot. Just basically tie the knot. Okay, tie the knot 2 times. Okay, and fasten it. Alright, fasten it as much as possible, so make sure that you won't lose it. Okay, and then just hide both ends by using the big needle again and sew them through the bleeds. Okay, sew them through the ball like this. Hide them in the ball. Okay, like this, and then just trying to put it in. Yeah, that's why I recommend you, if you have the smaller blend, it would be much better. Alright, I have just finished hiding both ends, and you make sure that you secure the work by sewing the elastic band to the bone. If you see the ending a little bit at the yellow ball, I recommend you sew the base of the ball using the same color as the ball. Sew it, attach the ball to the ending of the elastic band to make sure that it will not fall off. Okay, I finished. I also make two of them and make sure that the circumference, the inner circumference of the collar uh, is the same size as your dog's neck. Okay, I also make another color, just a rainbow one, and I put it on the dog's door and also give it to my dog. Actually, this one is not the dog, but it's just a doll. Okay, I think it's very flexible and I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you.